Hi everyone, Amy here, and today I'm going to stencil and emboss a fun encouragement We Are All One card. So I have this old stamp from Hero Arts, I have this fabulous new stencil from the July release, and a scrap of already die cut edged cardstock that had a little bit of blending on it that I'm still going to work around and use it anyway. So don't be afraid to work around maybe some scraps that already have stuff on it. Maybe you can flip it over or cut it out without having to waste it. This was a nice piece of craft cardstock, and it still ended up visible once I oriented it, but with the embossing that I ended up using, it ended up not even really showing or mattering. So don't feel like you have to waste your cardstock. You can probably still do other little crafty tricks and figure out ways to use it. So I'm doing kind of a brown on brown monochromatic feel with this new monoliths. I'm struggling over saying this word, monoliths. Stencil from the July release at 𝗂𝗓ful Life Designs. I think it's so cool. It kind of reminds me of shadows, so you could also kind of play with it as like a shadow, but I don't know. I just really like the brown on brown, and I already had that die cut panel ready to go, so I didn't want to waste it. So the next step, I'm going to use this angled mosaic. This is probably one of my, it's probably top 3 favorite embossing folders from Altenew. You know, I obsess over their 3D embossing, but there's something special in particular about this one. I feel like I reach for it time and time again, and it gave that cool visual interest and that next level coolness to the card. So I'm going to stamp this We Are All One on a scrap piece of white cardstock, so it'll make it kind of pop off the design, but the brown makes it match. I added some cool blingage also from the shop at 𝗂𝗓ful Life Designs. This is metallic coffee color. Felt like it was a good match. You can use my coupon AmyFan10 for everything in the shop, so be sure to check out the rest of the July stencils, and you won't be disappointed. There's loads of cool stuff. So thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.